Come on, Samantha, climb up.
It's kind of hard to do with bottles in your hand. You can put the bottles down. Here, do you want me to hold those for you? No?
Just put it on the slide.
Samantha, look. Look. Go. Whoosh.
Whee!
Yeah. I don't think you could do it with both bottles in your hand. You wanna
Really?
Come, right here and check
Come around
this
here.
out?
There's a door on this side.
There's a door.
Samantha, come over here. Samantha, come over here. Come on. No. Samantha, come over here. There's a door.
Samantha. Peekaboo. Hi.
No.
Are you gonna make Mommy get in this thing? Hi. I don't even know if Mommy will fit in here. Hi. What do you see?
You see a dog? Where's the dog? Point at him. No, I don't think there's a dog on the roof. Really?
Samantha.
Go see Mommy. Go get her.
Stuck. Hi. Do you want to come around here? Look.
Go inside. Samantha, go inside. You got it. Look at that. Wow. Say hi.
How do you get up there?
Samantha. Hi. Put it on the slide again.
Now, how do you get up here, Samantha? Do you want to go up? Up? Do you want to go down the slide?
Let's go down the slide, Samantha.
Here, sit your booty down. Look, we're going to go down the slide. Uh-oh.
Ready?
Go.
Ready?
Woo!
Whee!